Hello and welcome to our second tutorial video on how to use Google's site search tool input to find important information for individuals looking to actually start a marijuana business. So here we are at Colorado's official government website, colorado.gov. And immediately you can see that there is no resources that pop out for people interested in starting a marijuana business. We can even go over here to the menu where it has a business sub tab, business and employers. And it's just a general resource listing, all things related to business. Even a quick Control F marijuana reveals that there's no direct links to marijuana resources for business owners. So the question is, how do we get around that? How do we find information that we need when we know the specific domain where it should be located, but we don't know how to navigate exactly towards it? Well, Google has a built-in input feature called site colon, which is its site search operator, which basically means that it will direct Google to only search for pages located within the domain we list past the colon of the site search input. So here we'll type in colorado.gov, and we'll go ahead of the site search input and put in our general search terms. Marijuana is obviously one of our core concepts. And then we already know that marijuana is legalized in Colorado, and so instead of putting legalization, what we'll do is we'll put in business. Immediately you can see that all of our search results now are from colorado.gov. And if we take a look here, forms and publications, we get a breakdown of all the forms and information we need specifically for starting a marijuana retail business. And just like that, we could find the application to get the ball rolling on starting our business. Much easier than navigating completely through the colorado.gov website. We could even switch it around a bit. Instead of looking up business, we could look up license. And here we have the licensing actually. And there we get a general resource website for everything marijuana in Colorado, including application and licensing, current licensee, laws, and even a bunch of quick answers and other useful links. This tool could be used for any different domain or website. So let's try it out again here. We'll do marijuana business site colon alaska.gov. And again, look at that. All of our results are from alaska.gov, which is the official Alaska website as indicated by the .gov domain. And we can click on a few and see what they bring up for us. Here we have marijuana frequently asked questions, such as the law that dedicates legal marijuana, public input, licensee application questions, such as how do I apply for a marijuana license, just like that. Interesting to note, it gives you from our website on the page titled marijuana applications, but not a link to it. So instead we would have to find it, which we found here. Of course, we type in marijuana application to our site alaska.gov search. And just like that, it brings us up to it again as well. It has all of our instructions we need right here. And even some regulations and control statutes. So there you go. That is how you could use Google's site search input to really find a directed search results to give marijuana business owners and really anyone who has a direct search inquiry the information that they need. You do not need a complete domain or site directory to direct Google to through the site search. You could always just do marijuana legalization site.gov. So now instead of giving us a specific state's website, it'll now search every single resource Google catalogs that has the .gov domain, which is an indicator of an official government website. And look at that, we get a whole different slew of results now. Implications of marijuana legalization, medical marijuana legalization, all from the health government resources. Marijuana legalization in Indian country for the Indian reservations that have legal marijuana. A whole slew of different things. And if we wanted, of course, to remove the .gov, we could do .com and get commercial results for it. So the site search tool is really, really useful, really powerful, criminally overlooked, and I hope it serves you well in your future search endeavors.